Right, so this is the 20-piece Vaunt 115mm angle grinder disc trade pack. Okay, so let's take a bit of a closer look into this trade pack and you'll see exactly what you get. Now at first glance, you see you've got a huge range of discs there, but we're gonna run through and I'll tell you exactly what you get. Now first and most prominently, this one is your segmented rim diamond disc. This is for your general purpose cutting and whatnot. Behind it, this is a turbo rim diamond disc. This is for the harder materials, a bit more heavy duty. Behind that, we have a continuous rim diamond disc again. This is for your ceramics and tiles and stuff like that. You have two grinding wheels for metal. Okay, so you have two of those, nice big ones there. This 5 times abrasive cutting discs for metal. Okay, you get 5 of these for your general purpose metal cutting, and behind that you get 10 extra thin metal cutting discs. These are for more your stainless steel non-ferrous types. So that's what you get. That is all contained in the Vaunt trade pack tub itself for nice, easy and organised storage. So this trade pack, along with a huge range of others, are available exclusively at its.co.uk. So head over there now and take advantage of our multi-buy offer.